In this video, I will show you if the product Resurge works and how it works, but stay in this video until the end because I have a serious danger warning to give you. So if you are in this video, it's because you already heard about Resurge, a supplement in pills that promises to help improve deep sleep in both women and men, enhancing HGH hormone levels, and helps naturally awaken the true fat burning, healing and regenerative potential that's lying dormant within you. Resurge is a 100% natural pill, vegetarian friendly capsule with several key ingredients strategically blended together in the right ratios in order to restore your body functioning to youthful levels. Developed by John Bourbon, a celebrity doctor that was suffering to keep his weight stable and worse. When he turned 40, he noted that even his daily 2-hour workouts and his super strict low-calorie diet weren't nearly enough to maintain his health or his weight. His background is from a long line of horrible genetics, which includes obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and close family members who have all passed away well before their time, all of which put difficult times ahead for himself. However, being overweight and unhealthy was a destiny he decided to define with a tremendous disciplined lifestyle that would put some monks to shame. Then, at the very busiest and most demanding point on his career, it felt like a close destiny had sunk in and that was going to be no escape. His energy was being sucked away and weight gain was setting in. He started to do more workouts and diet with even more discipline. Also tried every science-backed diet that is including keto, vegan, paleo, Atkins and more. Tried cutting calories, upping calories and cycling calories. Tried to cut all sugar, gluten, wheat and dairy, and when nothing was working, he became so desperate that he went to do long, painful fasts. John started with 24 hours with no food, then 48 hours, then 76 hours, and before long he was fasting for 5 days. Yes, you heard it right. 5 days with no food. He starved himself to find a way to gain control back, and still nothing worked. So at this time the situation got worse and worse. Due to anxiety, frustration and fear, his sleep was terrible. He could only take short naps during the night, and he had never been able to sleep an entire night again. Little did he know that this would lead him to discover beyond the resolution of his sleep, to have a better sleep and to sleep better at night, to also discover a blend of ingredients that would become the Resurge product. He went to a doctor to treat his sleep problem and discovered he had a shallow sleep syndrome. With this syndrome, you do not achieve the total amount necessary of deep sleep. Your body doesn't recover properly, and you can exercise as much as you can and diet as much as you can, that you are not going to lose weight. So then the doctor prescribed some ingredients in certain amounts blended to him take for the next 7 days since the medical appointment. He started with the treatment, and in the first day he not only slept like he never slept before, but lost 200 pounds also. So Resurge, with its key nutrients blended in the right ratios, will improve your body's recovery and make you lose weight easy and naturally. Resurge will help you get to sleep faster and increase duration of deep sleep, decrease stress, cortisol, anxiety, and promote a relaxed state. Enhance effects of melatonin, an ingredient of Resurge, and improve quality of deep sleep. Reduce anxiety, resting heart rate, and significantly increases duration of deep sleep. Improve ease of getting to sleep and morning alertness. Increase release of HG hormone by up to 695% during sleep, And for releasing HGH on that much, we will experience vanishing your fine lines, wrinkles, age spots, dark cycles, bags under eyes. You will experience restoring firmness and elasticity on the skin and renewing thickness, texture, and natural color of hair, restoring kid-life energy, reviving libido, enhancing vision, strengthening and toning lean muscle, automatically melting body fat, and turbo boosting metabolism. All of these benefits happen because of the human growth hormone that is only released in the deep sleep stage, which is where Resurge will place you. So now that you know Resurge works and how it works, I left a link to a video of John Barban's complete story. And now I want to give you that serious danger warning that I said in the beginning. This impressive and powerful product that is Resurge only can be found and bought on the official website. You cannot buy it on eBay, Amazon, Craigslist, or any other website. If you found Resurge in such apps websites, watch out, they are scam, they are fake. So to help you, I left the official website in the description and pinned it in the first comment, where you can buy Resurge up to 80% off. So thanks to watching until here. Please give your like and subscribe to my channel, because I will be giving you more information about Resurge, this powerful product. Share it to your friends too, and if you have any question about it, please leave a comment that I personally will respond to you, and maybe we'll do a video from your question. God bless you. Bye bye.